Welcome to the Moorhead Titan Outlet Store. In today's video, we are demonstrating a 2008 Case IH MAXXUM 125 with 1,450 hours. This tractor has 125 horsepower and a partial power shift transmission. The rear tires are 480/80 R42s and the front tires are 380/85 R30s. The rear is outfitted with a 540/1000 PTO, 3 remotes, and a 3-point hitch. The front is equipped with an L750 loader and mechanical front wheel drive. Thank you for viewing this Case IH MAXXUM 125. Interested in this tractor? Give our sales staff a call at 877-886-7010. Interested in viewing more equipment? Go online to TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store. Guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.